multiple reasons incarnations happen. Krishna Avatar, for example. If you see the time Krishna happened, too much of destructive weapons, destructive powers have been piled up. Like now, all the countries have piled up the atomic weapons enough to wipe the whole planet Earth 700 times. 700 times you can wipe the whole planet Earth. So much of atomic weapons are already piled up by all the countries put together. The time Mahabharata happened was exactly like this. Any one cranky guy can have an access to weapons like a Brahmastra and finish off the whole Srishti. The whole Srishti can be, whole creation can be lost. Krishna has to come and clean up all the weapons and the signs of those powers, because it has become too much, too easily available. Too easily available for the people who are not matured or who are not bothered about the Srishti. This Dronacharya's son, Aswathama, just because his friends have died, he got angry and he was ready to use the Brahmastra and destroy the whole creation. God, what a selfish dog. Krishna curses him with Chiranjeevitva. Understand, immortality can be a curse if you are not able to handle yourself, if you are not psychologically capable. Immortality can be curse. 7 people achieved Chiranjeevitva. For one, Ashwathama alone, it was given as a curse. He's still somewhere, but curse. Oh, understand, long life is not always blessing. Only if you know how to handle yourself, long life is a blessing. Understand, the time Krishna happened, if you study thoroughly, too much of weapon and astra shastra vidyas available too easily for the people who don't have maturity to have the larger vision of protecting Srishti. Fools like Ashwathama started having the powers of Brahmastra. Dronacharya's one pattern of attachment to son has destroyed himself, and so much of negativity was caused. Listen carefully. Krishna has to happen to empty all the weapons in a controlled condition where Srishti will not be destroyed. Only the people with violence and wanted to use all the Shastra powers for their selfishness and vested interests and evil designs, only they need to be destroyed. So he collected all of them in the Kurukshetra and finished them off. I tell you, the ultimate compassionate act done to the planet Earth is Kurukshetra war. Because of this war, Krishna gave up even the so-called good name and brand. Understand? Till now, everyone blames Krishna for this Kurukshetra war. But you don't know, that's the greatest sacrifice Krishna did to save the planet Earth. If Kurukshetra was not conducted at that time, under the controlled conditions and direct supervision of Krishna, planet Earth would not have survived more than 3 years. Within 3 years, war would have erupted in a small packets and different corners, and the whole planet Earth would have been wiped due to large availability of astra shastras like Brahmastra, atomic weapons, nuclear weapons, chemical weapons. The widespread availability of the astra shastras without shastra, without the knowledge and vision, was posing a huge threat to the whole humanity and planet Earth and for life itself. So Krishna has to sacrifice his good name. He was ready. He's a Tyagaraja, I tell you. As Kalida Brahmachari, Tyagaraja, Jagat Guru, who was ready to sacrifice his good name, who was ready to be blamed by the historians. I tell you, if Krishna has not conducted destruction of the mass destruction weapons like Brahmastra, Agniastra, the atomic weapons and chemical weapons available those days, biological warfare weapons available in those days, the whole planet Earth and the life would have been destroyed within next 3 years. Understand? Still the mediocre Hindus were brainwashed. Mahabharata is just an imagination story by the anti-Hindu narratives. Poor mediocre Hindus continue to believe Ramayana and Mahabharata are fantasies. No. Fool, nobody can fantasize such brilliant, intricate, still record holding poetry epic. Understand? Even now, just by the sheer length of the epic poetry, nobody is able to break the record. Dumbos, dumbo mediocre Hindus. You fools are getting brainwashed by anti-Hindu narratives and you think Mahabharata is some myth story. Fool, understand? In hundreds of years, history becomes legend. In thousands of years, legend becomes myth. Mahabharata was history. Mahabharata war was nothing but destroying, eliminating mass destructive weapons, warfares under the controlled condition, under the direct supervision of Sri Krishna, the greatest incarnation. The purpose of Krishna's incarnation was that